It's that time. Time for your monthly Choose a Photo prediction video. And this one is extra special as we are now entering the second month of the year. So we still have a lot more to go, but we've already gotten 1 month under our belt. So get ready to hear exactly what you need to know for this month. There is so much to share with you. And if you're new here, these are some of my most requested videos because they are insanely accurate. Time and time again, people tell me just how shocked they are, and I can't wait for you to experience this for yourself. Now, here is how it works. You choose a photo, and then I will give you the exact message and prediction that you are meant to hear based on whichever photo you choose. And as always, I'll not only be sharing the message and prediction, but I'll also be sharing specific affirmations and meditations so that you can have tools to really maximize and amplify your results this month. And as always, I am so excited to share this with you. This is my favorite way to start the month. And if you're new here, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Mary Kate, and I'm a mindset coach and manifestation expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button down below if you like these types of videos, and we will get right into it. Now, if you've been here before, you know the drill, but just in case you're new here, here is how it works. In just a second, I'm going to put up 4 different photos up on the screen at the same time, and you are going to pick just one. Try not to fall into the trap of overthinking it or going back and forth. You don't even have to like the picture. Which one are you instinctively drawn to first? And once you choose, I will give you an accurate prediction and manifestation message that you are meant to hear based on whichever one you choose, plus the affirmation and the meditations to start using. Now, like I've mentioned before in my other Choose a Photo videos, this is not tarot. It's not any kind of psychic thing. It's actually based in psychology, energy, visualization, and interpretation. And like I mentioned, you're about to be shocked by just how accurate this gets. So are you ready for it? Because here we go. Those 4 photos are about to be up on the screen at the same time. And remember, just choose one without overthinking or going too deep. So here are the 4 photos. Pick one, and I will give you your message and prediction based on whichever one you choose. Here they are, and you have just a few seconds. Now let's get into the photo you chose and what it means. If you chose the first photo of the forest with that golden circle, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. This is going to be a year of massive upgrades for you. And I'm talking about probably your biggest glow up yet. And I don't love that phrase glow up, but it's probably the most accurate way to describe what's about to happen. Because here's what's been going on. There have been so many things living in your mind and in your heart. Maybe it's dreams that you've wanted to pursue, or changes that you've wanted to make, or maybe even goals that you've wanted to accomplish. Things that you maybe think about all of the time, but haven't actually made any moves on yet. Maybe you start to overthink it, or you talk yourself out of it, or make excuses on why you shouldn't. Whether it's a career change, or starting a business, or moving to a new place, or maybe even just putting yourself out there or taking a risk you've been too scared to take. Whatever it is, it's been sitting in your mind and in your heart for too long. You've been overthinking it and analyzing it and waiting for the perfect time for everything to feel ready. But this year, this is the year where you finally have the courage to do it. This is the year where you stop waiting and you start taking action, where you stop overthinking and start trusting yourself. Because the truth is, you've been ready for a while now. You've just been letting fear and doubt keep you stuck in that kind of planning phase that feels really safe. But something is shifting right now. There's this energy of courage and confidence that's really coming through for you. And it's going to kind of push you to finally go for the things that you've been putting off. And when you do, and when you finally take that leap, everything in your life is going to upgrade. Your life, your circumstances, your energy, your confidence, all of it. Because when you're able to step into courage and take action on things that matter to you, you become a different version of yourself, a more empowered version, a more aligned version, and a more magnetic version. And that version of you, that version attracts different opportunities, different people, different experiences. So this year, I want you to make a commitment to yourself, a commitment to stop waiting and overthinking and playing small, and to actually go out and do the things that you've been thinking and dreaming about for so long, because you are supported. This is your year. This is your time. And you are going to look back at the end of this year and probably barely recognize the person you were at the beginning because all of the growth, all of the upgrades you've made in your life, that's how much amazing things are going to start flowing to you. And that's how much you're truly going to evolve. So get ready and get excited. And most importantly, get to work, get to action, because your biggest upgrade yet is waiting for you on the other side of actually doing it. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. Why not me? Why not now? Of course I can have this. And also be sure to start using the Life Upgrade Subliminal or the Law of Assumption meditation. You can use them both or pick whichever one fits best for you. They'll both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing butterflies everywhere. It could be butterflies in person. It could be in a picture. It could be on jewelry or a sticker. Maybe someone talking about butterflies or butterflies on a piece of artwork. Watch how often butterflies start showing up for you. And if you chose the second photo of that gray and black space, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. You may be feeling like you've reached a plateau lately, kind of like things have just gotten comfortable, maybe even a little bit complacent. And for the past few days, weeks, maybe even months, it kind of feels like nothing's really been moving forward. And you're not necessarily going backwards or failing, but you're not making progress or moving forwards either. You're just kind of here. And it can almost feel really scary and daunting, especially if you're someone who's used to always moving, always achieving, always growing, always moving after something. This period of seemingly being still can kind of make you question everything. You start wondering if you're on the right path or if you're doing enough or if there's something wrong or you're, doing something wrong. But here's what you need to understand. You're not stuck or stagnant. You're not off track. Right now, you are in a process of integration. And this process, while seemingly uncomfortable, is absolutely necessary for where you're going, for the bigger picture. You can kind of think of it like this. When you work out, your muscles don't actually grow during the workout. They grow in the rest period afterwards. That's when they repair, rebuild, and become stronger. So right now, you're in that phase. That's what's happening for you right now. You've been growing and learning and integrating and evolving and experiencing so much. And now you need this period of stillness and rest and reflection and integration to fully absorb it all, to kind of let it settle into your being and become part of who you are. You can't just keep going and going and going and going without these integration periods. Because if you do, you are going to burn out or lose yourself or miss the lessons that are going to help you become stronger. This pause or plateau or moment of stillness, however you kind of feel like it is right now for you, is actually preparing you for what's coming next. And what's coming next is bigger and greater than you've ever even dreamed. The goals that you are going to accomplish and the level that you're going to reach and the life you're going to create is beyond what you can see right now, but it will exceed your expectations if you allow this moment of integration. You can't move forward without this specific time period. You can't skip this step. So instead of fighting it or being scared or thinking that you're doing something wrong, what if you embraced it? Because in this moment, you can rest and reflect and integrate. Let yourself be really ready for all of the good things coming to you. Because when you try to force momentum before you're truly ready, you burn out or self-sabotage because you're not energetically prepared for the next level. And that's not what you want to do. You want to be there and be ready to receive it. And that's exactly what will happen if you honor and embrace this kind of integration period you're in. So trust this process. Trust this pause and trust that you're exactly where you're meant to be right now. Your breakthrough is coming. Your breakthrough is coming. Your breakthrough is coming. Your next level is coming. Keep repeating that to yourself. But right now, you're integrating and preparing and getting ready for what's to come. And honestly, that's just as important as the action phases. And if you chose this photo, I want you to start using this affirmation. I am right on time and right where I'm meant to be. It's all working out in my favor. And also be sure to start using either the receive and release meditation or the manifest it now subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They will both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing ducks everywhere. I know that sounds very, very random. It could be actual ducks. It could be those little rubber ducks, a picture of ducks, somebody talking about ducks. Watch how often ducks start showing up for you. If you chose the third photo of those red and blue swirling colors, here is the message and prediction that you are meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. You want so many different things right now that it's almost creating this feeling of haziness or confusion. Kind of like, which goal is most important, or what comes first, or how often should I be doing techniques? Where do I even start? You might be feeling all of those things at the same time because you're looking at all of these different desires and dreams and goals, and you're trying to figure out the best strategy. How do I manifest all of these things, and where do I start? But that's actually making everything far more complicated than it needs to be. Because here's the truth. You don't need to manifest one thing at a time and then wait for the next thing, because multiple things can be true at the same time, and multiple manifestations can all be unfolding at the same time. You don't have to choose, and you don't have to prioritize one over the other. You can have it all, but here's what you need to do. Instead of getting caught up in the logistics of which goal comes first or what order to do things in, you actually need to define what each of these things means to you. That's the most crucial piece. What feelings do these things provide? It's never about the thing, it's about the feeling it will give to you. For example, if you want a successful business, what feeling does that give to you? Maybe it's freedom, abundance, pride. If you want a new dream house, what feeling does that give to you? Maybe it's peace or safety or accomplishment. When you can identify the core feelings that each desire represents, from there you can live in that dominant vibration. You can embody and feel those feelings now, even before the thing shows up. And when you do that, and when you operate from that feeling state, you attract not only what you want, but oftentimes even something better than you could have ever dreamed. Because you're not attached to that specific form that it has to take or in what way it shows up. Instead, you're aligned with the essence and feeling of what you want and allowing it to come together and unfold in the most perfect way. And the thing is, life moves so fast. And you get so busy, and there's always so many things demanding your attention at once that sometimes it's not practical to have an elaborate manifestation strategy different for every single goal. You will overwhelm yourself, and then you'll just kind of tune out and stop doing anything. But what you can always do, no matter how busy or chaotic life gets, is to tune in to the dominant vibrational feeling. You can always ask yourself, how do I want to feel? And how can I embody and feel that feeling now? It's one of the most simple and most powerful ways to manifest what you want. Not through complex strategies or perfect organization or detailed plans, but through living in and feeling the dominant feeling of what you want. For me, I like choosing the dominant feeling and vibration of ease. It feels really nice, and it's a great point of attraction. And when you get into that dominant vibration, everything starts flowing to you. The opportunities, the people, the resources, the circumstances, everything, it all just aligns. And often it's in ways that you could have never planned or predicted. So stop trying to figure out the perfect order, stop trying to strategize every detail, and instead make it simple. Get clear on the feeling, and then embody that feeling as much as possible. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using the affirmation, I always get what I want or better. My expectations are always exceeded. And also be sure to start using either the receive and release meditation or the manifest it now subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you more. They'll both be linked in the description box below. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing green cars everywhere. It could be a green car driving down the street, a picture of a green car on TV. Watch how often you start seeing green cars driving around all over. And if you chose the fourth photo of the bubble, here is the message and prediction that you were meant to hear, as well as an affirmation and a meditation that will benefit you the most this month. Right now, it feels like you're being pulled in a bunch of different directions all at the same time. So many different people want different things from you. So many different options are available to you. And so many different paths are right in front of you. And all of this happening at the same time is leaving you feeling really indecisive. Kind of like you need to make a decision, or that you need to choose, or that you need to commit to something. But every time you try to make that decision, it just doesn't feel right yet. You second guess yourself, or you feel uncertain, or you feel confused. And that's because you're trying to force a decision before you're actually ready to make it. You're rushing the process because you feel like you need to have it all figured out right now. But here's what I need you to hear. Stop rushing and stop trying to force a decision before you know. Because when you rush a decision, you're usually making it from your head instead of your heart. And usually you're making that decision to make somebody else happy or to relieve that kind of discomfort of uncertainty. But that's not how you make aligned decisions. Aligned decisions come from a deep place of knowing, from this kind of deep inner certainty that this is the right choice. And that knowing, it can't be forced or rushed. It comes when your mind and your body have had time to process it. So give yourself the gift of that time. Stop putting pressure on yourself to have everything decided right now, because the answer will always eventually come to you. That gut instinct will kind of kick in. But it doesn't happen when you're trying to force it or overthink it or stress about it. Instead, it comes in those quiet moments, in the stillness, and when you stop trying so hard to figure it out. And free yourself of needing to people please with your decisions. You don't need to make yourself uncomfortable in order to make someone else comfortable. And you don't need to choose something just because someone else wants you to or because you think you should. Wait until you know. Wait until it feels right in your body, not just logical in your mind or to just kind of check the box of making a decision. Wait until there's that deep sense of yes. This is it. Because when you make decisions from that place of inner knowing, they always work out better than just making a decision out of pressure or obligation. So release the urgency, release the pressure, and release the kind of deep-rooted feeling of needing to have it all figured out right now. Trust that when it's time to decide, you will know. And until then, let yourself process it. The clarity will always come and the answers will always come through. You can't mess it up. But you have to give yourself permission to wait for that clarity instead of forcing a decision you might regret. And if you chose this photo, be sure to start using this affirmation. I trust myself. I know the right next step always. And also be sure to start using either the higher self-guided meditation or the energy of receiving subliminal. You can use them both or pick whichever one resonates with you most. They will both be linked down below for you. And if you chose this photo, your prediction is that you are going to start seeing bubbles everywhere. It could be bubbles in person, bubbles on TV, bubbles, bubble machines, pictures of bubbles or someone talking about bubbles. Watch how often bubbles start showing up for you. So those are the 4 photos. Let me know which photo you chose, if it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, and if the message resonated with you. I read through every single comment. I love hearing the results from this video, so please let me know which one you chose. And if you want to watch more videos like this, there's going to be a playlist linked down below called the Choose a Photo playlist. And if you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.